With the crypto market having collapsed in spectacular fashion, large exchanges have either suspended trading, collapsed, or in the case of Voyager, have filed for bankruptcy. And specifically for Voyager, Chapter 11 in the New York Bankruptcy Court. And in this video, I'll take you through exactly what that means. Just before I do though, the crypto market remains inherently volatile, so it's incredibly important that you do your own research. Now, for some quick context, Voyager is a high-profile crypto broker, an intermediary between investor and the market who makes trades on the investor's behalf to help maximize returns. Voyager has, of course, filed for bankruptcy, citing market volatility and the surprising collapse of Three Arrows Capital. So, with all that said, what exactly is Chapter 11 bankruptcy? Put simply, it's one of the many forms of what any debtor might use to deal with the debt. Chapter 11, however, can be a good start for the overall restructuring of debts, which makes it more of a bankruptcy targeted towards reorganisation as opposed to winding up a company. Chapter 11 has been used for leading companies of the US in the past to help restructure their debt and tide over a crisis phase. Many might recall vehicle giant General Motors filing for one in 2009 in the wake of its liabilities growing more than double as compared to the company's assets. Fast forward to 2022, and General Motors is actually still humming along quite nicely. In a Chapter 11 bankruptcy, the company files a reorganisation plan with the court. This can restructure their debt, which can be in the best interest of creditors. Voyager's filing reportedly suggests that its debt and liabilities are roughly in the same range. Secondly, much of the pain of the brokerage emanates from another crypto player, namely Three Arrows Capital and it going bust. Voyager has also stated that Chapter 11 can enable it to reimburse its customers. In the proposed plan, users that had fiat currency assets in Voyager would be able to access them once the reorganisation is effectively implemented. Voyager is of course not alone in its struggles. Volt has recently declared a halt on withdrawals, and Celsius is, excuse the pun, feeling the heat. July 6 and July 7 have been a good 48 hours for the crypto market, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the overall market cap seeing some strong gains. But there's still a very long way to go to recover those losses that have been incurred since November 2021. Ultimately, the Chapter 11 bankruptcy might not be a bad deal for Voyager customers. A reorganisation of debt and a restructuring of operations can enable the company to return funds to enthusiasts who flock to the platform anticipating mega returns in the form of cryptocurrency. Voyager can still operate, but it does have a mess to sort through before it will be truly functional. Despite the recent collapse, are you still bullish on crypto overall and digital assets? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share the video. For more content, you can subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I'm James.